Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel! If you tried logging into Facebook today and suddenly faced errors like login failed, session expired, or even random error messages when trying to log in, don't worry, you are not alone. Thousands of users across the US and worldwide are reporting the same problem. So what's happening? Well, as of August 2025, Facebook is facing a major login outage. Many users can't access their accounts, and the meta status page hasn't given a clear explanation yet. But while we wait for an official fix, there are a few things you can do right now to solve or at least minimize the issue. First, clear your app, cache and cookies. On Android or iOS, go to your settings. Clear storage or cache for the Facebook app, and then try logging in again. Sometimes the app gets confused, and deleting the app data helps it work properly. Second, update the app. Outdated versions are often more vulnerable during outages. So head to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Third, try switching networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. Some login loops are caused by server routing, so changing your IP might help. And fourth, if nothing works, use Facebook on a browser. Go to facebook.com and try logging in there. Sometimes the website works even if the app doesn't. And finally, remember this. Since the outage is global, sometimes the only fix is waiting until Meta restores everything. But by following these quick steps, you can increase your chances of getting back into your account faster. And that's it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and let me know in the comments if your Facebook login is working now. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, and see you in the next video.